Ayun, dahil lagi tayong puyat, naghanap ako kasi hindi ako nakakapag take ng collagen. So I found this collagen. Try natin kung 1 box lang muna in order ko, and this will be our first box. Try natin inumin. Yan siya. So I hope maging effective siya, no, sa atin. Kasi kailangan ko to kasi lagi akong puyat, no, para mapanatili natin yung ganda ng skin natin, no. So ayun, I hope effective. I'll update you guys kung effective siya, kung mas nag-glowing ba yung skin. Thank you. I hope mag-help sa atin. Hindi ko alam kung empty stomach ba to siya. Tatanong ko sa seller. Pero kasi usually kapag diba, empty stomach, mga collagen, glutathione, I hope maging effective kasi kailangan ko talaga ng collagen everyday. Or kung anong collagen yung mag-effect sa atin, na kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay sa atin, no? Kung pwedeng ba siya, 1 take lang, good for 1 month, or 1 take lang, good for 1 week, ganun. I hope this one will affect, no, for ilan ba to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bottles. Thank you. Ayan siya. Ayan. Sana effective para sa ating skin. Marami kasing benefits guys yung yung collagen. So I hope it will help me, no, na ma-maintain yung ating skin, na yung elasticity niya very important, no, glowing, and lagi pa naman tayong puyat. So I hope this one help on preventing our skin. So siya, medyo lang yung box niya, pero grabe namang ginawa talaga yung box ay safe na safe na. Kasi talagang siya, so buti na lang ganun yung box niya, diba? Kasi talagang kahit mabagsak-bagsak na yung box niya, hindi naging damage yung item. Thank you so much, seller, for securing your product, that even it was a little dent, no, your products are safe. Naob ko lang to kasi empty. Ano muna siya nilagay. So, ayun, they made sure that the product is well packed and safe during the delivery, and it will arrive in good condition to the customers. Kudos sa'yo, seller, and I hope this product will give us a fast result and good result. Thank you so much. Dalawa na yung nakataw. Bukas ulit.